Judo, come judo, come, come. That's how we call judo. Sit, judo, judo, sit. Good boy, good boy. This is how we tell him how to sit. Good boy. Come judo, come, come judo, come. Good boy. Judo, sit, sit. Judo, come Bobby, come, come. Good dog, good dog. You always appreciate your dog as soon as he performs the act, so he knows that he is doing right. And there is very important by the words we speak should be firm, as well as use some signs like I do. Come, come judo, come, so that he just follows your actions. Come judo, come, come baby. Good boy, good doggy. This is how you can teach your dog how to come. Sit, sit, judo, sit. So I show him my one finger and he says, sits. Good dog, good boy, good boy. You can appreciate your dog with trees as well as appreciation. Good boy. Come, judo, come. Good boy. Judo. Judo. Good baby. Good boy. Come.